Good afternoon, everyone. CFC here, and today I will be showing you and demonstrating this Litex footprint ceiling fan. So here's the light. And here is low. So I got this fan from Ben Ceiling Fans. I got in a trade with him, and he got this from a Habitat Restore that had him installed up somewhere in, I want to say, East Texas. I'm not sure, but yeah. When I got this fan, it did not come with any blades or a light kit, just the motor itself, and that's it, or a mounting bracket. The mounting bracket that I'm using for it is off of my Hampton Bay Landmark 3 Plus, and the blades that I'm using are off of, or it's just some blades that I came up with. They were previously on my House CG event ceiling fan, but yeah. Here's medium. The light kit isn't original, and the pull chains aren't original. The tassel and the pull fob isn't original. So about, let's say, 65% of this fan isn't original. Like, the parts on it aren't original. So yeah, here it is on medium though. Simple fan. I'm thinking about giving this fan to my great grandmother. She's 88 years old, and I'm thinking about giving it to her with a remote on it so she can access it easier. Other than that, this is a wonderful fan. So yeah, that's medium. It does hum a lot. Here's hot. High isn't bad, but you know, it's good enough for a fan like this with a 153. So yeah, very nice. Blows a good amount of air. But yeah. Here's the light. And here's the airflow of the fan. I'm gonna start doing this also, guys. I haven't did it in my other videos, but yeah, I'm gonna start doing this. Top view of it. So yeah. Trying to set you guys down, sorry. But that's pretty much it with this fan. I'll go ahead and turn it off. Turn this light back on. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that demonstration. Be sure to like and subscribe, and there's more to come. Au revoir.